Let me show you how to hide video in Max Player. You can easily hide your private video into private folder in Max Player. Method is very easy and simple. Just update your Max Player app. Max Player is famous video player. Just open Max Player and select the video you want to hide in Max Player. I select this. Here you can see your video. Just click on three dot. After clicking here you can see lock in private folder. By click on right and just click on add button and refresh this page. You can easily add unlimited video into private folder or hide your video. To watch or unhide this video, click here. Here you can see private folder. You can first time visit, set the 4-digit password. After enter your 4-digit password, you can easily open and hide or unhide your videos. To hide and just put your password and easily enter your video to in the private folder. And to hide just click on unlock one video, select another, and here you can see your password or change your password setting. Click on unhide. This is a simple process to hide video into Max Player or unhide video into Max Player. If you like this video, share a video with friend. See you in the next trick. Goodbye.